Hey, once again, I'm back. Welcome to the channel, MB, man. Got something new for you. Yeah, I don't know. Is it showing forwards or backwards on the video? I don't know. Okay. To a couple of y'all I talked to on the phone. Cerwin Vega VMAXX series. They're back. Y'all remember the old VMAXX series? Well, Larry, I think his name Larry Fitzgerald, Larry Patrick, I don't know. He's back, man. He done brought it back. So we're gonna do an unboxing with VMAXX 8D4. It comes in a standard issue box. Gives you the parameters here. Let me read some of them aloud to you. Let y'all see them. Yourself. See, I can read some of them back. Let's see what we got here. 8-inch high quality subwoofer. 500 RMS, 1000 watts rating. 500 is really all you need for 8-inch. 500 to 75, 500 to 800. Anything more than that, you need to get you a bigger sub. For real, seriously, man. Heavy industrial strength aluminum cast frame. Treated semi-pressed cone. Most people like the non-pressed for the low FS, or this is not low FS, for the sound quality anyway. Elevated motor structure for increased cooling. Oversized spider. It's gonna have a low FS. Black coated 2-inch voice coil. Definitely gonna have a low FS. 2.5 inch on the 8 is customarily used for SPL purposes. The Toros I'm running now, SPL 2.5. Sundown XAB3 2.5. The American Bass 2.5. 60 times Mezio, most of them 2.5. But the J Audio, I think it's a 2. I know the Sundown SA8V3, it's a 2-inch voice coil. So most of the 2-inch voice coils are for sound quality. Black coated for high thermal capacity. Dual form, comes dual for R2. Oversized terminals, shorting ring. That's that shorting ring used for low inductance, which helps with distortion and the sound quality. It's got a Kipple optimized motor and suspension symmetry. Cerwin Vega has been synonymous with quality subwoofers for years. So it's not amazing that they have jumped their foray back into the 8-inch arena. This subwoofer is on eBay for $159. Most places like $159, between $149, $159, something like that. Let's do a quick unboxing. This is my receipt. No, it is my receipt. Okay. Open it up, you get your manual. Tell you where they located at. Tell you what's the best box parameters, what's used. It's funny they come in a manual. It tells you what's optimum for the power handling and the enclosure size. Let's see what we got here. Recommended enclosures. Sealed for the VMAXX 0.6. Ported is 1Q, which is on point for 8, you know. 0.5 to 1Q. You know, they always give you the recommended, so don't go too far away and don't go too far over or under when you're dealing with the recommended. But if you are not a good box builder, don't have programs, they say just put it in one. But you can put it in something larger or smaller, depending on the application. Smaller, you got more power. Larger, you got less power. Less power. Let me see, where are they? Okay, the recommended power handling for minimum is 500, recommended is 750, maximum is 15. Let's see what else we got. Let's see if we got what I'm looking for. And yes, it do. That's what I need right here. This is how I design my enclosures. Still small parameters. which basically tells me what the parameters are of the sub. Right off the assembly line, some parameters will change. The QES, the FS, uh, those two parameters I know will change after sold for plays. But this tells me where to start right now with design of my enclosure. It has so the VMAXX A total diameter is 8.75, which is normal. Mounting diameter 7.3, 7 3/8. That's customary open. 7.32, 7.35, 7.36. That's customary. Mounting depth, a little less than 5 inches. Now let me look over here to the I got a D4 configuration. So I'm right here. FS, let me see, 43.6, about average. Layers, quarter of a cubic up, 7.6, which is 0.24 of a cubic foot. Now MMS is 100. Ooh, very low moving mass. All the soft parts is low. Sound quality. Sound quality. Bass is gonna sound nice. MMS is 100. The motor, ooh, this is a real strong motor for all the soft parts only weigh 100 grams. The motor strength is 16. The soft parts on the American bass was 87. Motor strength was 10. BO was 10. So XMAXX is 15. One way. Yeah. 9. What's that QTS? 0.5. In the middle between the porter and seal. So you can run this either way. Porter or seal application. Let's get a look at them. So open it up to get this. Then you get these right here. Yes, we'll get this out the way. Got another one. Alright. And we got the sub itself wrapped in plastic. Normally when manufacturers don't pay that much for the packaging, which this is sufficient to get the subwoofer to you. I know you can buy them on Amazon, you can buy them on eBay. You don't have to pay so much for the sub. And I told you I'm no longer exploring the high price. Anything over $200 at this point, maybe later, I'm not going to be doing a review on because I've done that in the past. And I know that pretty much pay for a performance grade. There's only so much you can do with an 8-inch cone. So some of the stuff is just gimmicky. So it comes wrapped in plastic. I say it's very affordable. $139 and $159. Looks nice, doesn't it? Ooh, very nice basket. What's this? 12-spoke basket. We brought that back. You know, that was used by a lot of woofers back in the day, particularly Atomic. I would love to get my hands back on one of them. The tinsel leads is sewn to the spider. The spider is a, let me see if I can get a look in here. The spider is a linear spider. There are mirror image spiders. There's two, one on top, one on the bottom. Linear, not progressive roll. So progressive means it tightens over the show. Linear does it. So linear are predominantly used for sound quality. Progressive is used for SPL, but that doesn't mean just because they have a progressive spider, the sound quality is going to suffer. But technically, it will not be as good as a linear spider, which keeps its tightening pretty much the same throughout the stroke. So a linear, on average, does sound, on average, a lot of those factors considered, on average, a linear spider will sound better than a progressive roll. A progressive roll is for high XMAXX subwoofers, very, very high XMAXX subwoofer, and the tightening to give you that pop, that SPL that you want, that knuckle in the air, that meter. So we got a nice little motor build. We got it's made for this Joker too. It's well, that's a stiff. It's look like maybe not an inch slugs. 8.75. It's got a very high top plate. That top plate can't even get my finger in here, man. Can't even get my finger in it. There's no beat. Okay, that top plate using my owl meter is 3/8 of an inch thick. So the slugs might be just half an inch to 0.65 each. Might be just a single. And a motor size has nothing to do with how a subwoofer will perform. Not nothing, not that much as you would think. All the motor does need to have enough strength to move the MMS, the mass, the moving mass of the driver. Definitely see it's got a 2-inch voice coil. Vented back plate, all on the pole too. This coolant is on the pole. Keeping heat away from the coil is the main thing, and that's what we have here. Not a whole lot of gimmick here. It's not chromed out or nothing like that. It's stainless steel. The vent is chamfered, smoothed out, deep too. Like I say, 12-scope basket. Semi-press, so you have a little ridges on the cone on the underside. Dual stitch surround. Nice, sturdy fountain gasket. And got a heft of maybe, I don't know, 18 pounds. Line height, very large. Very handsome 8-inch. I would say this is going to sound very well. I also would say this is for those truck enclosures, which I am. If you need a truck enclosure, let me know. This sub is definitely suited for that because of the low mountain depth. Anytime you got a subwoofer that's under 5 inches with an 8, it's going to help with most truck installs. So I would tentatively recommend this for F-150s, the new ones, the new Ram 3500s, because the mountain height, as long as you got 9 in the front and got maybe 4 or 5 back here, you better get this subwoofer in there. So, fairly stiff. That's to be expected out the box. Oh, I love how it smells. Love that brand new smell. But anyway, I'll be doing a free air test of it soon. We'll give y'all a good look of it. Fresh out the box, you know. But you know, you can get on eBay and Amazon. I think Amazon, I'm not for sure, but I know you can get off eBay like $139, $149, $159, depending on who's selling it. Very handsome. Very. You can definitely tell it's solidly constructed. Yeah. Very. You can definitely tell it's solidly constructed. They're not even going with that made in America design America, engineering America stuff. I don't know where this is particularly made at. But you know, Cerwin Vega has been synonymous with quality for years. I mean, they're older since 1965. So they're definitely older than the new boys is out. Make sure I get a good look at it. I'll be free airing it, possibly. I'll possibly free airing it tomorrow. See what they do. Nice boy. I'll let you. If you need an enclosure, get in me.